Bonfire with the gang. How you feeling?
Yes.
How you feeling? Yes. She's feeling yes.
Ano yun natin to si Kuya? Single pala.
Go na. Grab mo na yan. Grab mo na siya. Agay. Amo ka gina-interview na.
Wala. Siyempre may hamang ka, no?
How do you like the trip so far?
Actually, I enjoyed it too much. But I hate, the hot summer.
Gusto mo tigururan?
Yeah.
Gusto mo ga-oran?
like, in totality, it's exciting, it's exhilarating, and it's an adventure of a lifetime. Macharot, dai!